Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Afterpay on SHEIN. So first is first, you can go to afterpay.com and then you have to search for SHEIN or just go directly to Afterpay SHEIN and this is what it looks like. But before anything else, what is this Afterpay? So get what you want now and pay for it for 4 equal fortnightly payments. There's no interest or fees and get your items delivered now. So you can just pay in 4 installments. You can get your items now, nothing extra to pay, and spend up to $1,000 once you have created your Shein here and then choose for any item. So I'm going to show you how it works. So start with start shopping. And then here on Shein, you can just look for the specific item that you want to order. So in order for you to add them to cart, just click this icon below. And once they've added to your cart, it's about time to check out your order. So as you can see, they accept this payment method also including Afterpay. So check out now. And then what you're going to do here is you just have to enter some details like your name, shipping address, and so on. And then below, you can see here payment method, and you just have to click Afterpay and then proceed with the following instructions. So this is Afterpay, tap this one. Now you have to take note that this Afterpay application or this Afterpay is not available in some other countries. This one is available in countries like United States, Australia, and Canada. This service has not been extended to other countries' market. So basically, that's how easy it is. Then you can now proceed with checkout and pay your items through Afterpay. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.